Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel once again. If it is the first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we find ourselves around Chokoli and Dawa, between Chokoli and Dawa. And a few weeks ago, I made a video of the production group buying a roadside land, and that same night we brought the stone and sand, and then today we are here to test the land, which is like try to demarcate, make the fence walls, see if people will show up. But so far we haven't had any signs of someone trying to disturb or showing up that he owns the land, so meaning it was a genuine purchase. So today we are here with a backhoe trying to make our fence wall, as I said, and I just want to take you through the process, and let's have discussion about land buying and that kind of stuff. But what we're planning to use this area for is we want to use it for hardware. So we'll be having block factory, we'll be having a plaza, warehouse, anything about construction, even have our office there in the future. So we're still growing the channel, as I said, and I always say this is just the beginning. This is something we're planning to make it big, so stay tuned and watch out for the production group. So if you haven't liked this video yet, kindly please do so. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We have a lot of things coming up. We have a lot of things coming up. We haven't even started yet. We are still testing the ground. We are still learning how to communicate, how to do business, and so far it's been so good. I have one of the best teams here. I have a supplier, I have a builder. It's amazing. So please do subscribe to the channel. You will learn a lot from this channel coming in the future. So please do subscribe to the channel. And if you need anything with construction, if you need a supplier, I will recommend Mr. Kwete for you. He has led us to get this land. He's the same person, getting us all the necessary things needed, the checks, and then the roadmap, of securing this land. So if you need stones, sand, cement, iron rods, anything you need, please get in touch with Mr. Kwete, especially if you are building around Chopoli, Ningo Pram Pram, Dawenya, Fienya. He is the guy, man. And it is all about teamwork. So you see the contractor is also around trying to make sure that everything goes well as planned and everything is well demarcated, for the future. So it's from all that way there where you see the blue pole going, nice line. Great job done by the guys. Straight to that side and bam. So we still have to go all the way straight back there. So that's the entrance. And, yeah, so far this is what they've done. It's a very neat work, straight line. That's how deep it is. So, okay. So this part of buying land is what we call testing the land. So 6 plots. So after doing our search and purchasing the land, we brought, when they demarcated the land for us, we brought sand that same night. I made a video of that, and today we are testing the land, see if people will come around. So we just make this demarcation and see if someone will show up. Of course, if it belongs to someone, the person will by all means show up here. And so far we haven't seen anybody come in. So let's see, we still have halfway to go, and then when we are done, we will just make some corner pillars, put some blocks, concrete blocks, and then yeah. So stay tuned, getting somewhere. So what we want to use this place for It's gonna be for hardware, for materials. So because the place is still yet to be developed, as you can see, the whole area is yet to be developed. So watch out for the production group. It's gonna be a one-stop shop where when you come, you can buy your wood. You can buy all your wood, your iron rods, your cement, your wood, everything about construction. We will also have an office here where if you need drawing, we will do it for you, anything you need. So if you have land around Chopoli, let me start from Dowinya, Prampram, Ningo, Chopoli, Dawa, Sege, going all the way to Ada, or even in the Volta region, Sugakope. Yes, we are here. Very soon we will be open. Then you can get your building materials from Gigo Production Group. If you also need if you need us to supply you with anything about construction, from sand, stone, cement, anything, we will be here to serve you. So as you can see, that's the Dawa Industrial City. That's it, the Dawa Industrial City. So the location is top location, and you already know this bench, you're familiar from the mayor. So we are the Dawa Industrial Zone. So this is the best place to be, to have your shop right here. So we are coming slowly, we're building up. It's not about race, it's not about rushing. It's just staying focused, learning through the process. As I said, I will surely come out with more information about this whole construction thing. I think I'm just 3 years into this, or let me say 4 years into this, but the team is very experienced. They know what they are doing, and they have the experience. But I am new in this game, and I am behind the media, so I just want to make sure that I know what to put out there, and I also know my team. So when I'm ready, I'll be out there sharing all those information with you. And what is best is to be here for your service, so that I'll be able to give service as well, not just how do I say it, not just coming and giving you tips and not providing any service. So I just want to give you the tips, I provide the service, makes things easy for us all. So that's what the production team is about. So watch out. As you can see, the team is here. Like, we are all here. You see the mayor, Mr. Kwete, and then the contractor is also there. So we are in the bush. We are in the bush, man, and this is what we do. And that's my shadow. So we are in the bush. We're doing this together. As I said, it's all about teamwork. It's all about the teamwork. So as we said, we check, we double check, and then we cross check. So that's it for now. I'll keep you guys updated. So this is not a financial advice, it's just a tip for you. If you're a young guy out there in your 20s and you're still figuring out what you want to do, in your life, what kind of investment you want to do, to me, I would say you should focus on land. Just try and find a genuine real estate company who is selling lands. Buy as much as you can. Just buy the land, secure them, and trust me, the price never comes down. The more people start to develop the land, the more the price goes high. So if you can get an area which looks like this, just buy the lands. You just buy them, leave it for the next 10 years. So if you are 20, let's say at 30 years, you start making family, or you can start selling those lands, and trust me, you'll make a lot of money out of just waiting. So as like we always say, you don't wait to buy real estate, you buy real estate and then you wait. So just imagine you having a piece of land like this. When people start developing around the area, you can use it. You can even rent it out for a fixturing shop, um washing bay, or use it for a small shop, block factory, or anything which will help in developing that area. And when the area is fully developed and you've already made profit from renting it to those smaller scale businesses, you can then start to develop it yourself, either selling half of it and use that money to build house for rent, or sell it to a real estate company, for a bigger amount of money, because the whole place is developed and the only undeveloped land is yours. So you can just mention your price and then you can have it. So this is one tip for you. So thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Look, do we?